everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my latest purchase. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. Really excited to be trying this pop-up storage cube. So it's for inflating, storing your inflated balloons. Oh, and it really does pop up. Wow, so that is big. So, it's even bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't think I will ever get it back into the bag. There we go. So, here we go. There's another zip there. So this means that when I inflate lots of balloons, I can just toss them into here. It's going to be wonderful for working on site. And I can fill that up. I've got some 5-inch round balloons to fill, so I think I'm going to have plenty of space. I'm not going to fill this with 5-inch rounds, but that is way bigger than I was expecting. So I think it's about 4 foot cubed. But I think that's fantastic. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this and trying it out.